Hey guys, it's Victoria Alexandra here. If you are new,
what it do, baby? Yeah.
If you are a returning subscriber, hey guys, how's it going? So in today's video, I'm giving you guys this fall makeup look here and a little chit chat because I know it's been a minute. So if you're interested in seeing how this look was created, just keep on watching. Alright, so I'm going to be using the Jackie Aina and Anastasia Beverly Hills palette today. I'm actually going to go into Supreme first. It's been a long time since I've gone into the lighter color first, so that's what I'm doing today. And I'm just going to tap it in first before I blend it out. How have y'all been doing? Are y'all good? How's life treating you? It's been a minute since I filmed because your girl just needed a break, okay? Breaks are necessary. They are necessary.
Okay.
But no, seriously, breaks are necessary, okay? So I just took me a little break. Honestly, y'all, this is not the video that was supposed to be going up this week. I was a hostess for a wedding yesterday, which was Saturday the 14th. And I was gonna do the little, you know, transformation type video. I was gonna do it vlog style. However, didn't really work out like that. I was just doing too much ripping and running to actually like pull out my phone and start recording. So yeah, sorry guys. I'm really sick of this whole situation back here. I want a new background. I thought I had an idea, then I changed my mind. So if y'all have any suggestions, you know, you want to help your girl out, let me know because I'm sick of this. I'm gonna go into Pinker next. I'm gonna tap that in as well. I don't know if this really give fall vibes, but it's what this video gonna be today, okay? The other day I realized I'm like real life about to be 25 in December, and I ain't ever been in nobody's relationship. Which I'm not saying it's a bad thing or nothing, but I just noticed it and I'm like, yeah, whoever my soulmate is, he's coming. You know what I'm saying? Like, but where is he?
God, come on. What's taking so long? Shoot.
Like, I never make it past the getting to know each other stage. It never goes any further than that. I'm not gonna lie, a lot of times it be my fault. And I'm gonna take the brush that came with it and I'm gonna go back into Supreme and try to blend that out. Oh Lord, what's going on? Remind me of that B. Simone video. Does anybody want a wife?
Hello out there. Does anybody want a wife? I'm single. I ain't got no kids. I could cook, kinda.
So next I'm gonna go into Credit. I never can get both my eyes on the same page. Like, they always want to argue.
This beyond me.
So now I'm going to cut my crease. Alright, so for the color on the lid, I'm going to go into Zam, which, y'all, Zam is such a pretty freaking color. Go into Pinker, kind of blend out that outer edge with it. I'm going to use Credit and Pinker for like a liner. We're taking the BFF mascara from ColourPop. I got some more lashes from the Country Girl Wink line. This is in the style Stallion. Whoa.
Jesus Christ.
Ooh, these are some lashes here. On to the face. So I'm going to be using my NYX Angel Veil Primer today. I'm so ready for fall. I'm tired of it being hot outside. I can't take it no more. Me. Oh, so when nobody gonna tell me it was on my shirt? Like none of y'all was gonna tell me that? Wow. Yeah, I've been color correcting lately because you know I've been here. And I do use the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Orange Corrector. I'm just going to and y'all, I have a new foundation finally. I am now using the Clinique Stay Matte Oil-Free Makeup. Y'all, I actually really like this. I wore it for the wedding last night and it's pretty darn good. One minute you never, I always go with my foundation with a beauty blender. Going to blend out that concealer with this Real Technique setting brush. Oh, and I saw that De'Ara and Ken got engaged. That's so sweet. I've been watching them for a long time. Well, about as long as they've been YouTubers. When I say long time, so super happy for them. Shoot, I was excited. I was watching their video earlier. I was like, oh. So I mean, I think we all knew it was coming, but just so happy that, you know, it finally happened. I just love the fact that they do their own thing and just don't let social media like rush them into stuff. Like, I love that. Love the fact that they always say in their own timing, and that's exactly what they did. Now I'm going to set that with my Makeup Revolution banana powder. Man, I feel like it's a little too light for me, but hey, it is what it is. lipstick in 8003. Time for me to replace this because it's almost about done. I have to give me some knotless box braids. Micro smooth powder and deep, of course. First, I'm going to spray my face with the Mario Badescu spray. So for highlighter today, I'm going to take Boomin' by ColourPop and Makeup Shayla. I'm going to line my lips with Max Chestnut. To take Shayla's lipstick with ColourPop and Quickie. This is Clinique's Air Kiss little sample I got when I bought that foundation yesterday. Alright, and then lastly, I'm going to spray my Urban Decay All Nighter Spray. Alright, so that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Of course, if you made it this far, then you already know. Baby girl, we're family.
Hey, auntie.
So, cousin, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Also, hit that bell so you can turn on your post notifications and be notified every single time I upload. And it's free. You know what I'm saying? It's free. You don't get charged for it. So go ahead and do that. But I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video.